it's a potato here. And potato.
That's so weird. I think I'm just a
Potato.
We're in a gym again.
Yeah!
Yeah.
My game's really laggy. It wasn't laggy just a second ago and it failed me.
Like right when you start recording.
Right when I start recording, it fails me. Okay, wait.
Like it fails.
Thank you! It actually worked this time. Hi!
Names.
Hi. I'll be right back, okay?
What?
I'll be right back. Stay down there, Ryan.
Okay. You don't know what I'm doing down here.
Okay.
You don't want to know what I'm doing down here.
I don't. You're right. Okay.
You wouldn't like me doing this on your front lawn.
What?
Your front lawn, and you don't want me to do this. I bet you don't. I bet you don't.
Okay. Okay.
Don't tell much.
Okay, I went to Jama Township to buy something. Tell me if anyone comes to my house, because I don't like anybody coming in my house anymore. Okay?
Oh, hi. Okay. Don't look.
I'm at Jama Township.
I'm rubbing myself on your lawn.
What? No. Don't do that while I'm away.
Yes, I will.
What? No.
And I'll just dance by myself.
You can only do it if I'm there.
Your lawn.
What? Okay, fine. I'm coming back. Okay? Okay.
Alright.
I couldn't find the thing that I wanted. It's being really slow though, so this might take a while. Okay? Still loading. Still loading. So, yeah. I don't know why I don't like this loading. I really don't. What? Okay, we'll be right back. Wait, this loads, hold on. My thing. I'm in Jama Township. Well, it's loading, so I'm probably not actually in there. But, yeah. Oh, it brought me to Appendale. Whoops. Dang it. Okay. I want to go home. Yay, I'm home. When it went to I think I accidentally clicked Appendale instead of the little house thing in the corner. So, yeah. Did anyone come in my house? You were my garter. What?
Someone came.
Okay, good. Because I wasn't checking. I probably should have checked the thing. The lag. I saw your post thing.
Are you in your house? Are you in the treehouse?
Yeah, I'm at the treehouse.
What floor?
I don't know. But I'm at the treehouse nonetheless.
3 floors. Which floor are you at?
I'm at the bottom.
The bottom, like the ground?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're gonna come up.
Okay. So, what do you want to do?
I'll be right back, but you can still record the video. I
Okay.
just gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a what is it called? Pee. I don't know. I just gotta go to the bathroom. So
Okay.
I will be right back.
Okay. So yeah, she'll be right back. While she's gone, I will tell you the news. There's the news. Okay. So they added some new stuff. First of all, they what's it called? It's Halloween themed because it's October 1st today, right? Yeah. It's October 1st. Well, it says it right here. I don't know why I checked. But, yeah, it's October 1st, and that just means a little bit closer to, Halloween. But yeah, so I'm going to show you some things. You can read this, pause the video, and read it, because it's not really that interesting, but this is pretty interesting. Invisible page. But, so, yeah, they added this epic. The epic haunted manor is the perfect den for dreamers who like creepy rooms, haunted trees, and spooky surprises. Which is a house that you can buy with diamonds. For the Phantom Vortex, enter one of the most mysterious portals if you have what it takes to visit the Phantom Vortex. Play fun Phantom games and earn a cool prize. Spooky party. If you're looking for ghostly secrets and chilling music and awesome spooky items, then then the spooky party is for you. That's a party that isn't that little thing. Okay, pet bats. These are pretty cool. Pet bats have returned to Gemma. Rumor has it that these flying pets are hiding somewhere in the spooky party. Ooh. Yeah, So I have to keep clearing my throat. My throat kind of hurts, So, hi. I'm still explaining the news to them, so just give me a sec, okay? So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Next, I remember when they were before. Now you can click on the new game icon, which is right here, at the top of the screen to play every game in Gemma. I've been waiting for this for so long because it's really annoying just having to go. If you have to remember the place that each game is in, which is really annoying. Now you can just go on here and pick any game you want. So what's the next thing? Visit the Serapia Theater and check out all the amazing movie theater den items in the theater shop, which is a pretty cool thing. I haven't checked it out yet though.
Put some water on my computer.
Oh no! I'm gonna keep reading the news I'm gonna keep reading the news. Become a wolf and learn all you can to show your support for these amazing animals. Which is on October 4th is World Animal Day, and a day when people all over the world and celebrate all animals. Woo! I'm probably gonna make a video about my hamster. She might make. Yeah. Are you gonna make a video about your cats?
Sure.
On October 4th.
My cat's staring at me when I said sure.
She's just like, really?
At me right now, like,
Really?
what do you mean?
Like, what do you mean? Am I gonna be real? Oh no, anxiety! But
Standing yourself and staring at me.
what? 30 seconds? Already? Well, yeah. Let me just do this. You can pause
I
this.
was hiding in your house.
Yeah, I know. I realized.
I'm gonna stop
So
videoing.
yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Look forward on October 4th, Animal Day. Woo! Bye.
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 Oh my God.